Shanti said, Father, right off the bat, I want to expose. There is neediness and insecurity here. Seems to be getting stronger with satsang and involvement in satsang. Seems to be getting stronger with satsang and involvement in sangha. Sometimes there is a great urge to escape. There is neediness and insecurity here, which seems to be getting stronger with satsang and involvement in sangha. It could also be that in the light of satsang, it could be that in the light of satsang, these things cannot stay hidden now. They come up more and more, and this feeling of uncomfortable, being uncomfortable because these feelings are so clear now and they're being released from their denial. This happens more and more in satsang. Yes. And this can feel like you just want to escape this situation. That is the mind's plan anyway. Because it knows that all of this pent up stuff is coming up, and this is a good opportunity for the mind to say, this is getting too difficult or this is getting too much. Good chance to escape now. So, very simply, now you can look at it and say, there is a neediness. You have already said there is a neediness and insecurity present here. But are they yours? What makes them yours? So there could be a pen present here, but what makes it mine? Unless I call it mine, does it become mine? Anything can arise in our life. All appearances can come. But without our identification with them, do they have the potential to cause any suffering? Om says, Father, when you look into the screen, everything stops. Prema says, so much love and peace when you look through the screen. Yes. Shanti says, leaving this for the fire and staying open for all the grace of satsang and your great love to deal with this as is best. Very good. As my master says, do not expect satsang to be only chocolate flavored moments. That would be only half the job. I would not even say half the job. If satsang was only chocolate flavored moments and all this pent up stuff did not get released and vomited out, then it would not be enough. Like I said, and you spoke about this earlier, not one blade of grass you will be allowed to carry out of satsang. Not even a blade of grass. All your insecurities, all the neediness will come out here stronger and stronger and will get released. And it is beautiful that it can happen in this way. So, do you have it? Can we adopt this approach to say that I am completely open, like you said, completely open to anything that arises? I do not have a preference for what is arising even. Can we have this approach? Then how long will this neediness and insecurity last? And we can also say that all that is arising now is the master's problem now. It has nothing to do with you. All thoughts will try to convince you that it is about you. None of this is about you. This you does not exist at all.